Clear? Okay, good morning to everyone. So today our topic is more to human system and gynotherapy. Actually, this is a repeated topic, but I tried to enhance this topic to make sure you completely understand what is the gynotherapy about. Because once in a while, I need to remind you all with the gynotherapy how the system works. So you must understand how our system works by nature. Okay, so means that our eyes are working naturally, our ears are working naturally, we are talking naturally, we are moving naturally. So you must understand how our body is working together with all the system by itself. So what we need to help the system, not damage the system. So how to help the system? You must know how the system works first. So once you know how the system works, then you know how to help the system towards the healthy lifestyle. So in this methodology, we can see gynotherapy playing big role in this system. So gynotherapy is, we can say gynoderma therapy, or we can say go all natural and no therapy. Okay, so we go to the next slide. Okay, hold on, there's so many things coming in. Okay, what is human system? Okay, what body system help humans turn the food they eat into energy? So you need to know what are the systems help to change the food to energy. Okay, it's a digestive system. The second question, what body system help humans to breathe? Okay, it's a respiratory system that connect with your nose, throat, lungs, okay? And it's also linked back to your blood circulatory system. Okay, what body system control other body system? Is a nervous system. So when one system connect to another system, control nervous system controlling your body system together. Okay, the fourth one, what body system provides structure for the body? Is a what is it called? Skeletal system. Number 5, what body system allows us to move? Muscular system allowed us to move. What body system include a transport system, blood and pump the heart that keeps the transport system moving? It's a circulatory system. See, here I only just to identify few systems that work each other. So you must see all the system work each other. So if you don't have a skeletal system, you have muscular system, your system cannot function properly. You have a nervous system, but you don't have a respiratory system, you cannot breathe. So all the system work each and other to provide a complete human system for you to become a human. If you damage one of the system damaged, okay, the other system will damage. For example, when you help humans turn the food into the energy, so digestive system, whatever you eat, okay, will be digested in your digestive system and will be transferred into circulatory system. So once your circulatory system got all your nutrition into the system, you are using the circulatory system towards the overall body. Okay, and at the same time, respiratory system will pump in the oxygen towards your circulatory system to make sure all your cells in your body getting enough oxygen for work. So remember always, our system is connect each and other. You cannot treat separately. If you want to treat, you have to treat holistically. So that's why I keep on telling people, you need to treat your system holistically, not individually. In a modern medication system, we can see they are treating the system individually. Wrong. When you start to treat the system, the organs individually, your system will fail. That's why a lot of complications happen in a modern medication system. Because they don't teach you how to balance holistically, okay? They only teach you how to control the diseases. When you want to try to control the diseases, your organ become failure. Okay, so what is human system? Link each other. It's actually link each other. Can you think two body systems that work together? Example, respiratory system and circulatory system, muscular and skeletal work together, digestive and circulatory, okay, nervous and other system. Every system is working together one by one itself, okay, and link each other to provide a complete cycle of this human system. So we have 11 systems. If we lost one of the system in our body, our whole system will be failure. Okay, so when you want to treat a muscular system, you need to try and use you need to treat the skeletal system. At the same time, you still have to treat the circulatory system to make sure the nutrition that you transfer is transferring back to your muscular and skeletal, because it's all work together. Okay, if you try to heal the bone, you need to work with the muscular, you need to work with the nervous system, and you need to work with the circulatory system at the same time with the respiratory system to get more oxygen. So that's how the system works. So it's not like you are treating one organ and try to solve the problem. No, you cannot do that. Okay, what part of the nervous system is essential for you to work properly? Okay, brain. Brain is like chip. It's control your computer brain. It's a computer chipset. If you have your computer, if you don't have the Intel Pentium inside, they keep on calling you Intel Pentium, and that's the brain of the computer. Same thing, your Intel chip is your brain. If your brain is corrupted, the whole system is corrupted. Okay, what event could disrupt one of our body system? Okay, injury or disease could disrupt one of our more body system. So when injury done, when you break your hand, there will be inflammation. The bone has been break down. The muscle has been tear off. The nervous system has been tear off. So there are so many things has been damaged in the injury. So you need to treat the whole system rather than the bone itself. That's why when you go to hospital, let's say you break your hand. You go to hospital, what they do? They just plaster your hand and ask you to go back. What medicine they give you? Nothing. Okay? And they said it will heal by itself. Okay, for in that point of view, you see, they only give you a cement in your hand. They cement in your hand to make sure you don't have a more movement. Because if you have more movement, the injury will be increased, the inflammation will be increased. So when I lock your hand with the cement that they give you, okay, so your hand will be stiff, stagnant, no more movement internally. So how the body heals by itself? From the food that you eat. It's the same concept for every organ's damage in your body. The food is your treatment. The nutrition is your treatment. Okay, so you must have a balanced diet to make sure balanced diet and balanced nutrition and essential nutrition that needed to rebuild back the system by itself. So it's applicable for all the system. For example, you can treat the bone. But if you have like asthma, lung problem, the same thing you need to treat the digestion system. Okay, you need to treat the the circulatory system. You need to treat the the respiratory system, and also a nervous system. So many systems need to be treated together to solve your asthma issue. Not just a pump, okay, and just supply the oxygen in your lungs, and you feel that you are a bit relieved. Yes, you are a bit relieved. But how many years? 5 years? 10 years? 15 years? 20 years? You're getting worse. From one pump, now every hours you start to pump your lung because your lungs start to damage because you don't treat the system holistically. You are trying to treat the individual system. It's not treating. It's called suppressing the individual system until certain time cannot be suppressed anymore. So you need more drugs to suppress it. Okay, this is how it works. Okay, what part of respiratory system would need to be blocked to not allow any air into the system? Okay, the mouth, nose, trachea. Okay, so if you block your mouth, your nose, and your trachea, you don't have your respiratory system will fail. So the system consists of multiple organs work together. So you cannot go and treat a single unit of organ to solve your diseases. Wrong. Okay. A lot of people talking about diabetes. Diabetes is a digestive system metabolism weakness. When you suppress your pancreas forward, end of the day, you won't get any result. 5 years you're taking medicine, 10 years you're making medicine, the drugs start to be increased, but you never relieve from the problem. Why? Because nobody tell you the prevention methodology and how to reverse back your system back to normal. In terms of reviving back your organs back to normal, your system back to normal. Because in diabetes, you need to treat the digestive system, you need to treat the circulatory system, you need to treat the nervous system, you need to treat the respiratory system. You need more oxygen balanced because oxygen is a burner. When you don't have oxygen, enough oxygen to your body, okay, your glucose won't be changed into a coal. It cannot be turned to ash. So your glucose need to turn to ash, to need to be burned. You need to burn the glucose. You must use the glucose. Must use the oxygen, because oxygen is the burner. To increase your heat in your body, if you don't have oxygen, your body will carbonize. When you carbonize, you become cold. When you increase your oxygen, you become heat. When your body heat is enough, then your glucose start to balance together and burn up to make energy. Okay, like a coal rail. Last time we have a coal rail system using the coal, the charcoal like that. They put the coal. Okay, so they have to burn the coal to make the engine to work. Same thing in our body. Glucose is actually like a charcoal. Okay, coal. So when you have the charcoal, the oxygen, it needs a fire. Fire is the oxygen. When it start to combine together, burn together, and you have more energy, then your glucose level will improve. That's why we always say people who have actively exercise, actively athletics, who doing exercise every day, 30 minutes morning, 30 minutes evening, okay, burn down the thing. When you do exercise, you will inhale more oxygen, will balance your glucose level in your body. But a lot of people never turn back into active lifestyle. Sitting down in the house, putting down the medicine and hope that medicine can help them. No. You start with one medicine, end up with 2 medicine, 3 medicine, 4 medicine, end up with insulin. After 5 to 10 years, you're taking insulin, your kidneys start to failure, your liver start to failure. Then more drugs will be increased. This is what's happening now. Nobody giving you a solution on that method. Okay, so what is the holistic approach? Holistic approach is a lifestyle focus on a person overall well-being, including emotional. Remember, emotional is very important. Okay, emotion, when you're getting every day angry, your brain system will failure. You will go into depression. Okay, secondly, physical, you must have a movement to your body. It's a holistic approach. When you have a movement, all your joints start to work. No point you buy a new car, 6 months you don't drive, you put in a junkyard. Okay, after 6 months you start the car. It won't start because everything start to rust out. So your body need a physical movement to make sure the circulatory system are keep on moving, the nervous system are keep on moving to make sure your body went to health category. Mental, depression, you must mindly active. Don't put your brain into the dustbin or into the fridge. A lot of people putting their brain into the fridge. Never open any books or never read. Remember always, our mind needs everyday refreshment, such as reading, writing, thinking. Okay, you must do critical approaching. Then your brain start to function every day. If you put it into the fridge, that means you don't use it, end up you will have dementia. There's a lot of people who have dementia. They are in lonely mode. They are not active. But people who are active in NGO, active in a lot of events, doing so many things, writing books, you see, even though they are 90 years, they never go to dementia mode. So to prevent that dementia mode, to prevent the brain things, they must be active at all. They must be active. At least every day you read and write. Then you can see your brain keep on activate every day. Okay. So remember, don't provide short-term cures. Provide a holistic approach to promote lifelong positive habits. Okay, so a lot of things are playing a role in a holistic approach. Once you have a better holistic lifestyle, your improvement of overall general health will be seen. Long-term pain will be relieved. Fostering the routine of well-balanced lifestyles. The use of safe and natural treatment, including herbs and medicine. Natural one, okay, like gynotherapy is 100% natural, organic. Okay, all these things will help you to balance and you will active in your holistic mode approach. Okay, so holistic approach to health. Okay, holistic, they call it holism, implies an approach or process which enables integration of multiple streams. Means that multiple things, not only food, your mind, mentally, your thinking, your attitude, your physical benefits, everything play a big role to make sure you are holistically approach your body, mind, mental, physical. Okay, and also internal oral nature things to make sure your organs are well managed. Okay, so this is one quote by the Swami Vivekananda. Okay, I have just passed through one of the greatest moments of my life. I have found the oneness between the macrocosm, and microcosm. I have been seeing the whole universe within one atom. So we are start from one atom. Remember that. We are start from one atom. So the atoms start to combine, become cell, then slowly become a cell, what you call a cell, then become a organ, and slowly grow and become a human. So we are start from one single atom, okay, and end of the day become a big human being. So everything is from one. Remember that, okay? So what is your principle of your life? Okay. You must make sure you are always in a healthy mode. Okay, take a lot of healthy food, vegetables, nature from the ground, because end up we go back to the ground. Okay, whatever we eat, ground. Okay, we'll go back to the ground. So it's like a life cycle of the universe. So nature things, whatever we are in DXN, almost same thing. Okay, we seeing it in a form of capsule, but actually it's a nature organic forms from the nature vegetables and fruits. Okay, no mixing, no nature, no any coloring, no any no any coloring, no any sugar. A lot of things has been changed. It's all organic. So you are naturally can take this to balance your life. One of the part. Another part, you must make sure you also taking a lot of natural veggies, fruits to compensate your system, and thinking naturally, thinking logically, thinking positively, okay, to make sure you always in a positive attitude. So your surrounding vibration will be a positive vibrations. That is very important. When you start to think in the negative vibration, your healthy things become a non-healthy. You become sick. Okay, when you become sick, the overall cell, the overall atom start to become a negative. Okay, that's why we must be always positive. Okay, and don't stop doing exercise. Okay, the best exercise actually minimum 30 minutes walking. Normal first walking also enough. Okay, at least minimum 30 minutes walking is a very good enough for daily in 24 hours. So you just sacrifice your 30 minutes daily, okay, 30 minutes daily for your normal face walking. Okay, not walk in the office. Okay, not walk in the house. Outside from the house, and you just set in your mind that I'm doing a 30 minutes walking outside from the box. Out from the box means that not at the office or not at the house, or your office and your house is inside the box. When you just walk outside from the box, okay, just you go back home, 30 minutes, just go one round in a taman, enough. From your office, you just go out, go to mama shop, walking and come back. You will have a naturally mindset clearances. So your stress level will come down naturally. So many things will relieve from your system because you start to out from the box. Remember, out from the box is very, very important to make your mind is relaxed. Okay, so there's so many type of movement. Okay, so 30 minutes walk will enhance the blood flow, will strengthen the heart wall, will rebalance and restructure the muscle system, will enhance the hormone production, will activate liver and balancing the colon movement. So these are the 5 benefits you can see when you do 30 minutes of walking every day. Okay, and at the same time, you also can do a simple movement activity, such as around the body passing, okay, bent row, deadlift, figure 8, they solid figure 8, you move 8, okay, half get up, sit down and half get out, swing your hands. This is a simple movement in a standalone position, okay, and 30 minutes walking. This will enhance all your naturality in your body system. Okay. Okay, the biggest loser really is the biggest loser. You see why? Okay, so underweight, healthy weight, overweight, and obese. So you must remember why we getting bigger and bigger. Okay, you see, I still remember when I was in Vietnam, I never see a single overweight people in Vietnam. While I was 1 week there, okay, maybe they all disappear, I don't know lah. But I've seen in a town, in the kampong area, in the town area, in around surrounding 1 week, I'm going around the whole Vietnam city. I never see a single overweight person. So means that if you see Vietnam, why Vietnam people? You see Vietnam people, they are eating, they are moving. Okay, they don't eat so much of mess thing like what we eating now here. Okay, so you must balance your food, exercise, time of eating, balance your overall system, mind, mental, physical, diet, okay, and also movement. All these things will help your body getting healthy weight. Okay, so no need to go and frustrated to try to lose your weight. By doing a naturality balancing of your body, your weight will come back to the healthy weight. Okay, naturally your body can do. Okay. Okay, you see, our body contains of fat cells, brain cell, heart muscle cell, red blood cell, white blood cell, so many things. Okay, so many things. So when cells are healthy, body is healthy. When cells are unhealthy, body is unhealthy. When cells are dead, body is dead. So you must remember, when you're getting older and older, we making our body cells a dead lot. Lot of dead cells are increasing. When the lot of cells are increasing, the dead cell increasing. Why the dead cell are increasing? Because of pressure, because of stress, because of not correct food you eat, because of your mindset that you are not healthy. You always say, I'm not healthy, I'm going to checking doctor, I'm going to see here, going there. You pressure your body. The more pressure you put into your body, the more damage it will become. Okay, just be yourself. I always tell people, just be yourself. When you become yourself, okay, when you become yourself, what will happen? You will become more relaxed. When you become more relaxed, when you become more relaxed, you become more healthy. Remember that. When you become more relaxed, you become more healthy. So you need that. You need a healthy lifestyle, not a sick lifestyle. Okay? A lot of people need to understand how our body works. Sleeping 8 hours, 6 to 8 hours is very important. What's the time of the sleep? 11 o'clock, must go to bed. And remember, sleep is not yours. Okay, I always tell everyone, sleep is not yours. Sleep is controlled by your mind. But to your, as a human, what you can give to the body, you can give a good rest to the system. Good rest to the body. The moment by 11 o'clock, you go to the bed, you just close your eye and sleep. The moment you close your eye and sleep, your body already has a good rest and good sleep. Okay, but mind will getting more time to shut down. So you don't worry about your mind, you just worry about your body rest. Once you can give your body 6 to 8 hour rest, then the mind will follow accordingly. So mind will always up and down. For a while they will sleep, the mind will sleep, then we wake up and go for dreaming mode and come back, we'll think about others, then come back again, sleep for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, then wake up for 3 minutes. That's how minds work. So we don't need to worry about the mind. We only worry about the body shutting down. Okay, you need to make your body to shut down, close your eye and relax. Enough, you already have a good sleep. Okay, how to prevent this inflammation, balancing the system. Okay, balancing out the system. Okay, start by drinking water. Drink enough water. Water is very important to our system, and don't simply drink. Okay, drink whenever you feel to drink. Your body has your own system. Remember that. Don't simply, because of people telling you go and drink. Wrong. When you feel to drink, you go and drink. How much to drink, your body will detect. Your body will tell you. Sometimes when you ask for water, I give you 1 glass of water. Sometimes you just take a sip, you put. That means in that moment, your body only needs 1 sip. But after you coming back from running, jogging, okay, you are sweating a lot. You ask me water, I give you 1 glass. You drink 1 glass, finish. Then you ask for more. I give you a 2nd glass. You finish the 2nd glass. You ask for more. Then I give you a 3rd glass. You drink a sip, you put. That means you only need a 2 glass, 1 sip only. The balance you throw away. Don't force and drink your water. Okay. Nowadays people are doing forcing, putting water inside. When you forcing putting water inside your body, it means you are drowning the body. You are flooding the body. When you start to flooding the body, your system will get failed. Remember that. Drink how much the body needs, how much the body wants. Don't force the body to finish all the water overall. Okay. Eat a lot of fruits and veggie. That will give you enough balancing of heat control in your system. And also a lot of micronutrient, macronutrient, natural carotenoids, natural pigments, and minerals, vitamins. Okay, a lot of essential minerals you need by taking fruits and veggies. Okay, and go for organic. Okay, if possible, try to go for organic. Okay, why? Because organic vegetables, organic fruits are less chemicals added. Most of the time now we can see a lot of insect killer pesticides has been used. So even the insect die after eating that, then you also can die after eating that. They only tell you a very small amount is a controlled amount, but poison is still a poison. 1 drop a day, 10 days you eat is already 10 drops. 1 year you eat 360 days, like 1 bottle of poison you are taking every day. So remember, go as slow as possible. Number 4, drinking green tea, drinking coffee, drinking good organic teas. Okay, and some teas you can make yourself from green vegetables. You can make a tea, no harm. Okay, so a lot of things that you can make a tea. Normally they will make a tea using cumin. Sometimes I see people making tea not only tea leaf, they're using a pandan, make a tea. So you can use anything from the nature's sources. That will help you to detoxify your system. Okay, number 5, try a lot of herbs and spices. There are a lot of natural spices and herbs that can be eaten, can balance your body. Basically, in Gynotherapy, you can see a lot of herbs and spices that can eat a lot, that no harm to your body system. Okay. Number 6, eat healthy fats. Healthy fats mean what? From what do you call organic oils, like what do you call this? Virgin coconut oils. Okay, then what do you call what do you call? There's so many oils lah. Okay, so you can use this kind of oils for your cooking. Natural organic oils, you can use it. Okay, the 7 is minimum 30 minutes of exercise. So doing all these things, balancing your body with the internal oral intakes, natural intakes, and 30 minutes of exercise, you can prevent the inflammation and you can balance back your system back to normal. Okay, minimum 30 minutes exercise can sweat. Remember, sweating will release a lot of toxin from your body. If 1 week you don't exercise, you remember so much of water you're drinking, so much of chemical food you are taking. So all these things has been cleansed out inside. Your toilet has moved, your urine has been moved. But still, after you do exercise, you can sweat like urine. Means that there are thousands of millions of toxin is already still accumulated, even though you have removed it from toilet or remove it from urine. So by removing the toxin from sweat, okay, will make your body more lighter and more healthier. Because after you removing the dirt things out from the body, you start to drink clean water. So this will refresh your cells. So just remember, when you sweat, your shirt that sweat, you smell it, how bad smell it is. So that means internally our organ cells are affected by this sweat water. So you need to cleanse it by sweat. So the important 3 types of removal toxic process in our body: by stools, second urine, third is sweat. The others are minor removal of toxinations. Okay, take supplements that allow naturally, that allows you to help to remove the toxin and balance the nutrition balancing in your body. Okay, that is very important, like Gynotherapy, like RGGL, Codipine, Fruxime, Morinzi. All these things will help you to balance your body system into a normal, clean system. Okay. So what causes inflammation? Holistically speaking, okay, what is cause inflammation? Okay, processed food, soda, packages food, anything with additive, preservative, coloring, all these things, make sure you don't take. Once in a blue moon, if you feel to take, you take, but make sure minimum as possible. As minimum as possible. Carbonated drink, don't take at all. Alcohol, don't take at all. Smoking, don't take at all. Okay, high sugar diets, you try to drink a lot of sugar things. High fat, oily food like satay, like fried chicken, KFC. All these things is not very good enough. Okay, so you must have a proper diet system in your daily life cycles. Okay, when you feel overweight, by doing a proper life cycle things, okay, changing of life cycles and lifestyles, changing of food types, changing of exercise from active, non-passive to active, all these things naturally will reduce your weight. Believe me, you must do that. Not like taking a pill to reduce it. That is chemicalization. Don't do that. You will damage your cells actually. Okay, environmental chemical, pesticide, chemical fertilizer, antibiotic, growth hormones, allergen. Try to avoid all these kind of things. Don't take all these kind of damages. Okay, pathogen, virus, bacteria, mold that you attacking you. Make sure you are free from it. Don't go and mix around with all these kind of chemicals. Okay, and also like people got sick, you have to make sure you wear your mask, clean your hand. Okay, whatever we learn now from the vaccination, from the COVID-19, actually a good lesson from people. Okay, so by using this, you can avoid from simple what you call contaminated diseases. Okay, so why gynotherapy is good to balance your system? Okay, you must understand that gynotherapy is not a treatment for sickness, but it balances the cell by providing natural resources to the cell body to be activated and works well. So the system can work well. If your cells start to work well, your tissue will work well. Now your organs start to work well. Now your systems start to work well. Once all your system work well, you are going to health conditions. Your health condition will automatically improve. Okay. Now you don't have any disease, or your immune is strong enough to protect you. So when you have enough nutrition to your cells, balancing your body, become more stronger, your immune becomes strong. None of the virus can attack you. Okay. None of the virus or bacteria can attack you. Okay, none of the treatment is balancing your cell, but gynotherapy can do this. Remember, there's no treatment in the world can do this. But when you do gynotherapy treatment, you can balance your cell, and up to the cell level you can treat it. This is a prevention method rather than the cure. So we went to prevention. We don't cure anything. Once you prevent, you won't get the problem. So the important is to teach the prevention, not the cure. There's no cure in this world. Remember that. Once you prevent, once you balance, once you make your system work well, you don't worry about diseases because your body know how to balance it, and you don't get any diseases. And later you don't need to cure it. No need. Why you want to cure it if you don't have diseases? Okay. For people that are already unhealthy, they also can rebalance and regenerate back their cell until they get the optimum health. I've treated so many people. Okay, we can combine. You see, holistic method, gynotherapy method can combine, can do integrated medication system with the modern medication system. Okay, when you have problem, diseases, you still can take a modern medication system, no problem. Together with the holistic method together. Okay, so once your system start to regenerate back, balance the back, you can slowly reduce what you are taking now. Okay, insects, all the drugs that you are taking, you can slowly reduce. And once you get the optimum health, you can stop slowly. In that time, your sugar, your things, everything go back to balance. And it always takes time. Not like in a single day or like 1 week you take the product, oh, you see everything go back to normal. No, it takes time. Okay, it takes time because you need to clean your system. Okay, you need to clean your system. So holistic approach, you can take it as long as possible, no side effect at all. Remember that. Okay, holistic approach can be taken all over, no side effect at all. Every day, because every day we are poisoning our body. Remember that. Every day we are start to poisoning our body. There are a lot of bacteria fighting towards you. There are a lot of food that you're taking, a lot of chemicals added into it, a lot of system has been failed, a lot of cell has been died. So when you keep on taking a holistic approach, you can minimize the problem as much as possible. Okay, so what is gynotherapy? It's a holistic approach. How it works? Okay, gynotherapy works cell level on the entire body system. Remember, when you take gynotherapy treatment or nature treatment, you will start to work at the cell level. You don't go to the organs yet. You don't go to the tissue yet. You're going to the cell level. Okay. When you go to cell level, inside cell, we have a mitochondria. So you work into the cell. That means you start to clean the cell inside the body of the cell. Once the body of the cell has been cleansed, the overall strength of the cell is been appeared back to normal. The entire cell has been cleansed. Your tissue will be cleansed, your organs will be cleansed, your system will work perfectly. Okay, so Gano protects body from diseases as well as disorders. So when your cell level has been balanced, your disease has been balanced, your disorder has been balanced. Okay, so it can give you health, vigor, and vitality, reduce stress, retard aging process in increased lifespan, effective for all age group from womb to tomb, from baby. Our product can be taken from the baby. 1 day is baby born. You can take 10 minutes for the baby born. You start to give GL, no problem. Okay, we're giving of thousands, millions of kids in this world. Okay, it suits anybody and everybody. Okay, no interaction with other lines of treatment. You can take it together with the modern medication. You can take it with the Ayurveda. You can take it with homeopathy. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. You can complement the same, because our motive, our objective is to the cell level to balance the body. Finish. We don't cure anything. Once the cell level balance back, the system level balance back, your system go back to normal condition. Okay, overcome the side effect of other medication. It also helps to overcome the side effect of the other medication system that you are taking in the long run. Okay, no diet restriction, liberal consumption schedule. Okay, even mega doses high as 100 pairs a day is not harmful at all. Okay, because it's a food. Okay, holistic is a food, fruit and vegetable treatment. Remember that it's a fruit and vegetable treatment. We don't use any chemicals or any herbs or whatever. No, it's under the fruit and vegetables category. No side effect and no addiction. Okay, Gano is everybody health and wellness and healthy. So anybody can take, even though they're unhealthy or healthy. Okay. So Gano therapy treatment and effect to the human system. Okay, so it oxygenated the body and boost the stamina, because the what do you call the compound, what do you call organic germanium, the polysaccharide, terpenoids, all these things will help the body to oxygenate it, and it will increase the oxygen in the body. So that then it boosts the stamina to the system, provide more energy, increase brain power, quality of sleep, blood circulation, inflammations, reduce allergy, inflammation, strengthen, boost an immune system, organs elimination, the toxin and rejuvenated, and make you feel more healthy. Okay. Okay, this is the Ganoderma enabling concept. Okay, how it works, it's cleansing the body first. After that, balancing, regulating, building, regeneration, and the result, the person will feel better and become more energetic. And a lot of problems in their body start to dissolve one by one. Okay, one by one will be dissolved. So it takes some time to balance it. Okay, some people is fast, some people is slow, but you must be more patient while you're taking Ganoderma treatment. Ganoderma concept. Okay, when you take Ganoderma concept, it's a holistic concept. You need time to balance it. So you can't see immediate result. But 3 months, in 6 month time to 1 year time, you can see a lot of good result in your body. Your blood system will change. Your body system will change. You can see overall improvement in your overall health will be improved. Your drugs taking can be reduced as much as possible. So in a drug system, every time you can see people are increasing the medicine listen. But once you are taking Ganoderma therapy, you can see the drugs contained can be reduced as much as possible. Okay. So this is the Ganoderma. Okay. It's an adaptogen. Is the key that fit all locks. So adaptogen means not all nature medicine, nature organic got adaptogen. Only few got adaptogen criteria. Adaptogen means it can eat by anyone and can fit for anybody. You don't need to worry. Somebody will say, after taking Ganoderma, the medicine is not Ganoderma for me. It's not suitable for me. It's wrong. What they're thinking is wrong. Actually, the toxic level in your body is high. So the Ganoderma job is to remove the toxic. Okay, if you're using what do you call to clean the shirt. If you're using the cleaning, the what do you call this cleaner, the soap, okay? So the soap job is what? To clean. So it's same thing. Ganoderma is just to clean. So it's the same thing. It doesn't matter a shirt or pants or whatever. It's do the same thing. Same thing. Adaptogen means Ganoderma will do the same thing to everybody. When the people have more toxic, the reaction will be a bit higher. The people have less toxic, the reaction will be normal. So Always people say, oh, it never suited for me, la. I got a lot of reactions, la. But actually, they have a lot of toxin. It's not a reaction, they have a lot of toxin. That Ganoderma tried to release them from the problem. When the problem has been released out from the body, okay, the problem solved. So it works as adaptogen. It's a key to fit all locks. You must remember that. Okay, it's a master key. Gynotherapy treatment is a master key for everybody, and it's also workable for animals. I've treated so many animals. Okay, so many animals. Recently, I treated one small puppy. Okay, it has a lung tumor, cannot breathe. The doctor said, the veterinarian said, 1 week the dog will die. So they bring back the dog. The doctor said, cannot do anything. So they bring back the dog. They call me. I say, they told me that the dog cannot breathe. It has a difficulty in breathing. So I told them very simple. You just open half GL every 30 minutes. You just put half GL in the tongue. Yesterday the girl come back after 1 week. Now the dog is like very happy. They are very active. So I said, the dog is all ready. If it's active, leave it as it is. So just keep on giving the GL. That's how it works. Okay. So the doctor said, you will die, but now is very active. They are very happy. So it fits the whole locks. Only the problem is the dogs never open their mouth. If dogs start to talk, then it's a problem. But humans start to talk, then they will talk anything. Oh, cannot this, not food suit for them. Actually, it suits everybody. The adaptogen concept has been researched papers, a lot of research papers on Ganoderma and adaptogen concept. You can go to the Google and you can read about adaptogen concept in Ganoderma. There are thousands of papers inside. Research papers has been researched and updated and published. Okay, it means that it's very powerful adaptogen in the world. That's why they call it king of world, king of herbs. None of the herbs in the world can work as how Ganoderma can work. Okay, so we go on. So this is a Ganoderma. Okay, the antioxidant capacity highest in among the what do you call it, in the nature world. Okay, the organic germanium content of Ganoderma algae, the highest in the organic ORAC capacity, it means oxygen radiated capacity, highest in the world. If you compare with the millions of herbs in the world, Ganoderma playing a highest role in this antioxidant and the ORAC capacity in our human body. Okay, that's why they call it king of herbs. None of the herbs can attack. This is a research proven, and there are a lot of research papers in the research centers. You can go and see in the Science Direct, in the normal highest high impact journals. You can read about these Ganoderma concepts. Okay, these are ORAC capacity requirements. Okay, so how Ganoderma balancing the body and regenerating outside. Before Ganotherapy, you can see all your organs are injured, damaged, and a lot of diseases accumulated from there. Okay, but from after you keep on taking the Ganotherapy, you can see your organs start to regenerate one by one. Your liver is regenerated, your colon is regenerated. See, this regeneration process, you must remember, Ganoderma can regenerate back, but up to certain level. If your organ completely fail, damaged completely, it cannot rebuild back the new system for you. But if you're taking before it worst case scenario, it can regenerate back to you. Okay, I can guarantee you, because I've done so in 18 years, I've done so much of research on this, and I've treated so many people that come earlier to me. Okay, come as fast as possible to me before they too late, become too bad. People, they come to me with too bad, too late. The liver totally spoiled, cannot recover at all. So you have no choice. Okay, but if just recently they start to the liver start to fail, okay, you can reverse back. Kidney start to fail, reverse back. Not come to see me after the kidney becomes smaller, totally junk, become fail, then you want to reverse, very hard. Okay, very hard. Okay, so this is some of the hypothyroid cases. Okay, previously you can see the previous thyroid is like thyroid stimulator almost 28, thyroid surgeon FT3 is 3.8, and after a few months treatment, okay, you can see the thyroid reading become normal. Okay, this is one of the testimonial. Okay, the second testimonial, you can see how psoriasis, skin disease. Until now, skin disease, psoriasis, no treatment. You must remember that. But in gynotherapy treatment, I've treated so many cases. But they must be very patient. That's why I said, if they want to take a psoriasis treatment or eczema treatment, it takes time. It takes 1 year, sometimes 6 months, sometimes to 1 year. So recently I'm treating now, still ongoing treatment. The leg part, you see, completely disaster. Okay, the hand, and now after around 5 months plus, the system is changed. The leg all become very changed. Okay, she's keep on taking the product. And today I just yesterday Monday she came and see me after 5 months because she's staying in Johor. Okay, after a few months, now only open they come and see me. So she was very happy what is happening to her. So we are treating her without single drugs in the body. So we completely with nature product. Okay, and with some restriction of the what you call exercise, food, don't take like seafood, all balance the food. Okay, with balanced diet. Balanced diet with balanced system, we can see the overall psoriasis become completely reverse back. This I never seen it can be done in some other treatment, type of treatment. You only make so much of money wasting. But end of the day, you won't get without any things. But nature medicine, you can work. Okay, you can work well. Okay, but need some positiveness, mindset. Okay, just follow accordingly. Because first time when you start to take the gynotherapy, you will see more coming out. Later, once you start to coming out, you will become more better. Because we are treating the system, not the disease. Okay, remember that we are treating the system, not the disease. In a modern medication view, they only treating the disease. Psoriasis, they just give you steroid cream, they just give you steroid to eat. Okay, after taking, you cleanse your body. But in a long run, the whole medicine cannot work at all. But in nature medicine, once you keep on taking, the body completely cleanse out, you are reversed back from the disease at all. Okay, this is the one of the testimonials. This is one of the testimonies. I got so many testimony on this. Okay, and dosage schedule. Remember always, gynotherapy treatment or holistic medicine is not a drug or medicine. It's a fruit and vegetable therapy. Okay, therefore, there's no dosage regime or such as 5 tablets. If you want to take more, can. But mostly we are giving in a controlled environment. That means you take 2, 3, slowly you can increase. Once you recover back, you can reduce back. You balance your schedule. Okay. So you must understand the health improvement largely depends on the consumer own body condition. Remember that. Everybody have a level of toxin in the body. Some less, some more, some high, some medium. And duration of suffering from the ailment. Like the psoriasis cases, she suffered from 20 years of psoriasis. She have tried so many types of treatment and never seen just a best treatment as seen now. She can see. She went to every treatment in the world. And she has spent so much thousands in their line. But she never see this kind of improvement. And she is very happy what the improvements are. And she keep on taking because still got small, she's still under treatment. Okay, but she can see in 6 months time she is completely reversed back. Okay, so remember that. Okay, and long-term health recovery protection are more appreciated in gynotherapy. See, short-term you can see some relief, but it takes some long-term to remove the toxin and regenerate the cells. You have to see now we have 60 trillion cells in our body, not a single cell. Okay, we need to rebalance back the 60 trillion cells, 11 systems, okay, to connect each other, to make sure each and every system is work together hand to hand, to remove the toxin and balance the overall body. That's why it takes time. Okay, it takes time. Okay, so this is all the products that we have. Okay, and thank you for the time, and take care of your body. Is the only place you have to live. Your body is the place you live. Remember that. So your job to take care of your body. Okay. If you take care of your body, your system will work fine. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Selena, any other questions and Swan?
Doc, you want to touch a little bit on kidney issues or not?
Okay, kidney issue,
time for that?
I think I will cover in the next batch because it's actually quite long. Maybe we can talk on the next
24th, the next one.
Yes, 24th.
Next session.
Next session, I will do the slide for that. So we'll
Okay.
talk on brief on that because it's a big topic actually. Okay, it's a big topic. So we will see on that time. Okay. So there's a question here. A person may have heart feeling, heat and pain, lower abdominal. What can give rectify? Okay. Male have heart feeling, heat and pain, lower abdominal. I mean, this is sometimes cause of the uric acid. Okay. Cause of the uric acid. So when the uric acid high, sometimes they'll have a heat, all this kind of problem. What they can give Richelium mixed with the morenzyme, spirulina and vitamin C, roselle. That will help them to remove the toxin from the body and enhance the blood circulation. Okay, the next question is good information waiting for this lesson long time. Officially attend some important. Okay, right now. Okay. Okay. So no problem. So any other questions? Anyone?
Dr. Suha.
Yeah.
Dr. Suha. Hello.
Hello. Yeah.
Thank you very much for such a comprehensive explanation. Thank you so much. Dr. Suha, you were mentioning about sleep, good sleep just now. I would like to know whether Andro-G can assist in good sleep or not.
Yeah, Andro-G actually heat controller. See, sometimes we cannot sleep because our internal organs are very heaty. Okay, when our internal organs are very heaty, so we need to cool down the organ system. So Andro-G will play a role to cool down the organ system. So you can take 1 capsule to 2 capsules the night before you sleep, half an hour before sleep. So you can have a good sleep. You can have a relax. It will relax your systems. Okay, that's why it's very good on the portion.
Okay, so it can help in our sleep problem.
Yes, yes, sure. Yes, correct.
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank
you. Thank you. Right. Okay, any other questions?
So anything? Irene? Anyone?
Okay, it's line 17 ready. So if no other questions, we can end up the session today, and we will continue on the next session on 24th. Is it, Selena?
Yes. Yes. Doc, Rita has a question in the chat group, Doc.
Oh yeah, okay. A drug addict, very violent. How to balance system? Okay, drug addict is a powerful drugs they're taking. So to control that, you can give them Andro-G, more Andro-G and more enzymes. So Richelium powder mixed with the vinaigrette. Richelium powder mixed with the vinaigrette and also giving them the Andro-G. These two things will cut off the drug. Let's say they come back home with drug addiction. The vinaigrette and this vinaigrette and Richelium will help to balance the drug addict and also give them more Andro-G. It will help them to control. Okay, another one, kan jantung berlubang, apa yang sesuai mereka ambil? Okay, normally for jantung berlubang, it's depend on the size of the hole. Sometimes, if it's very small size, you can give RGGL. Okay, normally I will also recommend them to take jelly gamat. Okay, jelly gamat. So you mix 1 RG, 1 GL with 1 spoon of jelly gamat. You mix the RGGL together, take together. So when you keep on taking together 3 times daily or 4 times daily, then slowly we can see the hole become closed back naturally. I've treated quite a number of children, especially children I've treated quite a number of children with that treatment. So it's completely, after a while, the children start to grow, then they went to hospital, they checked, the hole has been no more already. So Geligamart RGGL is very good in terms of closing back the things. We have also quite a number of testimony on this, on these things. Okay. Okay, Sinan. Okay, good. Okay, untuk jantung yang lemah, you can give a black cumin, because black cumin, remember, black cumin is omega 3, 6, and 9. It has more omega on the black cumin. So what we use omega for? To balance our omega, to balance our heart, because our heart use a omega oil to protect, because it's like engine oil. Okay, so that's why omega 3, 6, 9 is very important to the heart. So when you keep on taking that, it helps the heart. Okay, for jantung lemah, you also can give RGGL and also this Hong tea. Hong tea help the heart. Hong tea help the heart, so you can give that. Okay, clear? Leku?
Okay, thank you, Doc.
Thank you. Okay, so I think if no more questions, 9:20 ready, I will end up the session today. I will let me off the